Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. We always give you drinks and a lot of different kind of idea of drinks we can do at home. Well, today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely, simple smoothie drink for Monday morning breakfast or Monday morning lunch or Monday evening, whatever. We're gonna give you a nice, lovely drink right here. I got some mixed fruits and I got some banana and I got some ice cream. We're gonna make a smoothie. And hopefully you guys will like it. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments. And this is for Monday morning drink. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So as I say, we're gonna make you Monday morning drink. First of all, ice cream. Down inside of it. That's 1 spoon. I'm using a big spoon. You could use a ice cream scoop if you like. 2 scoop. 3 scoop of ice cream. This one, it got a mix. This mixed fruits. I wanna say it got blueberry, strawberry, and also and many more fruits inside of it. But as you can see, looking lovely and nice. Put in a few inside of it. And also 1 fingers of ripe banana. Ripe banana is very rich and it's good for you guys, seriously. A lot of people might say, oh, Chef Ricardo, come on. We all know that. But sometimes we have to just talk, We're gonna put some milk inside of it like this. Roughly 1/2 cups of milk, just to free up the blender. Second, we're gonna put some honey. The reason why we put honey, because honey really nice with banana. Make sure if you have one of these IQ smoothie blender, which is very good, you will good to go. Alright, that's it. Make sure it's sealed really good. Simple. Put it on right here and blend this for 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. Basically, move that, put that aside. Give it a shake. You can see that lovely rich color. Pour it straight inside of a glass like this. Thick and rich and nice. As you can see that for yourself, guys. So right here, this is exactly what we are talking about. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. And this is, as you can see, rich, nice Monday morning breakfast. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Remember, don't forget to donate to Chef Ricardo Cooking Studio. Coming soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.